Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought I'd give you guys a little unboxing. As my project Revamp here goes on, decided to make it more streetable, as I said in my previous videos here. So part of that streetability is rims, obviously, for the street. For quite a while there, I'll be driving around with slicks and skinnies, but it's not really, it's streetable, but I'd like to be able to drive the car more in the rain if I need to. So I'm actually putting wipers back on the car. But with that being said, I picked up some rims and I'd like to share them with you. So the rims that I purchased were, Saber loves to walk around. The rims that I purchased are CCWs. I went with the CCW Classics. Did a little unboxing for you guys. So CCW Classics, for the rears, I had them beadlocked. These are 17 by 10s at the rear. So these here. Sure we don't scratch them already since they're new. Quite a good looking wheel here. There they are. That's a 1710 for the rear. My son's going to be mounting them for me this week here, so, and I'll share what tires I went with there. And for the fronts, I went with 17.8. Non-beadlocked, of course, because they're just for the front. That's them there. Okay. If I look a little stiff, it's because my back is injured. My girlfriend sees this video, she'll probably get really upset because stand here. And for my tires, I chose, well, let me show you what I chose. For the fronts, I've got the Nito 235/45 17s, and for the rears, I chose, I've used these in the past before, but they're the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's 275/40 17s. I have had a little experience with those tires, those Mickey Thompsons, before when I had the coupe, the SSP that I gave to my son. Sorry about the camera moving around here, folks. That I gave to my son. They worked pretty well. You know, when I used them back then, it was a nitrous, basically tired old nitrous 302 with basic, look at this, with basic 3-bar TT40 heads, you know, ECAM and whatnot, and a nitrous kit, and they hooked they hooked fine. Now I know it's gonna be different with this, but still gonna be fun and streetable. So that's what's going on with my projects. Thought I'd give you guys a little update. For those of you that have been following and liking and making comments here and there, I appreciate you. Hope your guys' projects are doing well. This guy's moving along, basically waiting for an open spot at my, sorry about that, got cut off there, had a little phone call. But hope your projects are doing well. I'll give you an update on this guy. Basically, I took out the condenser, it's on there because I need to add a trinary switch because I'm going to be adding a remote start. Well, it's already in the car. I just got to set everything up, but follow along this project. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're not following by now, hope you follow, like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon.